Nobilium, supplies for prosthetic dentistry.
Visionaire Dental Shells. Allowing your patients to visualize and choose their final tooth size, shape, and arrangement in minutes. This patient is not satisfied with her existing dentures. The teeth are too small and they are severely worn. Dr. Masad will show you how he uses the Visionaire Dental Shells chair-side kit to show his patient some options for teeth in her new denture. Visionaire Dental Shells are an excellent tool to assist with patient and laboratory communication. First, with input from your patient, select an appropriate size and shape. Giving the set of dental shells to your patient to hold and inspect will permit them a sense of how these teeth might look. Next, remove the set of shells from the holder by folding back and forth several times. You may also use a separating disc to remove the set of shells from the holder. If you want to change the shape of the teeth or open embrasures, you can do this easily with an abrasive foam wheel at low speed. You can use the Visionaire Dental Shells with an existing denture or with an occlusal rim. Here, Dr. Masad is using the patient's existing denture and applying a thin strip of white wax over the anterior teeth. Place the set of Visionaire Dental Shells into a hot water bath at 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 seconds. This makes the shells fully moldable when you place them on the thin wax. Position the shells over the thin white wax and position the incisal edges in line with the occlusal plane. You can easily adjust the position of the teeth and even rotate individual teeth to make a natural tooth arrangement. Insert the denture with the shells in place and evaluate midline, high lip line, low lip line, labial lingual position, and facial harmony. Make sure that the canines are appropriately positioned to look natural in the mouth. To adjust a section of the dental shells, use a mini torch to gently heat the small bridge between the shells to allow fine positioning. You can move several teeth at a time or just a single tooth to fully customize the arrangement. Allow the patient to give you feedback on how they like the new tooth look. Your dental laboratory will set the denture teeth to mimic the size and position of the Visionaire Dental Shells per your instructions. Here's how to use the Visionaire Dental Shells on an occlusal rim. After establishing proper occlusal relationships, simply place the white wax over the anterior area. Dip the dental shells in a hot water bath at 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 seconds. The shells will become rubbery and easy to manipulate. Then place them on the wax rim and align the incisal edges with the plane of occlusion. You may use a mini torch to further refine the arrangement. Here, Dr. Masad is moving some teeth to form a slightly more accentuated feminine occlusal plane. Place the occlusal rim back in the mouth with the dental shells to evaluate midline, high lip line, low lip line, labial lingual position, and facial harmony. Make sure that the canines are appropriately positioned to look natural in the mouth. Allow your patient to inspect and approve. Here is a patient with her existing denture on the left and on the right with Visionaire Dental Shells over the existing denture. Visionaire Tooth Shells, creating choices for patients and dentists to create beautiful smiles together for successful results. Visionaire Tooth Shells are a product of Nobilium, designed by Dr. Joe Masad.
Nobilium, supplies for prosthetic dentistry.